we've got a Rebel Panini press here, and the power is not turning on. So what we're going to try to do is open it up, take a look, see if we can fix it. If we can, we'll get it fixed. Then we need to give this a nice little cleaning here. All right, so what do we do here? How do we open this up? Well, it looks like we're going here first, right? Or you got some security torques. So let's see. That's not that one. Is it T10? Yep, T10. Well, everything seems to be in working order here. That's not going to do any good, is it? That's just keeping these legs on. I wonder if we open that, if we see anything. Oh, it's just grease everywhere. It's underneath. Oh, there is something. We're going to put this into a bath. You know what? Let's get a container. Everything is going to get a nice soaking. Even that. Now on this side, probably underneath there. Right? Yeah. So this power switch all the wires look good. This power switch just looks weird. It feels weird. There's no clicking action, so I'm gonna I don't have a switch that size though. I know I don't. But we will. You know what? What if we join these two and see if does it heat up? Let's plug it in. Yeah. It's a switch. It's warming up already, so Unfortunately, for Pete's sake, I don't have a switch this size. Or do I? Switches. Oh my goodness gracious. I've got a whole host of them. Okay. Pretty cool. This one's garbage. Which one? Red was on top. Green was on the bottom, so it was like this. Green was on the bottom, and that plugged into this. So is it as easy as this? On the top like this. So folks, get yourself some switches. I have a drawer full of them. This one's garbage. So plug that on. Plug this one on. Okay. Plug it in. Turn it on. Does the light go on at all? And the light's on. You see? Can you see? The light's on. The light is on. That was a quick fix. I'm so happy sometimes, you know, when things work out. This part's clean. This part's good. Get on there. Okay. Close it up. Okay. Where does this go? Oh. Another extra piece. Okay, let me go wash these. Ugh. It's just nasty, eh? All right. Hello, nice and clean Breville Panini press that looks like brand new. Let's give you guys a shot here and see if you work. Turn it on. Where's the switch? Light goes on, hopefully. Light's on. It's just off. There we go. Lights on. Sear and oh. It's nice thing. Oh, it's heating up. Okay. Ooh. Well, pretty cool. Well, let's get rid of that. What do we use? Anyways, thanks for the view. Until next time, it's hot. Happy panini making. See you guys. Turn it off. Woo. Had the exact same switch. All right, see ya.